Blocking my way. Hey guys, so today, as you can tell, we are here at Tennesse Valley. Too noisy. Let's start over. The car's, oh, another car's coming. Hey guys, so today we are starting out at Tennesse Valley. Not too long of a hike, 1.7 miles, something like that, to the beach and back, so 3.4 miles. So yeah, let's get started. And today, hiking buddy is Karen, sponsoring Starbucks.
Much needed.
And our Nepster right there. Our driver, chauffeur. Navigationer too.
It's cold.
So I'm going to give you a quick fact about this trail. Little did I know at the time, we were on the wrong trail. But the Tennesse Trail is the one I'm talking about, not this one. This trail, as well as Tennesse Cove, is named after the SS Tennessee ship, which is the first American ship that went from Panama to the Americas, transporting passengers back and forth. Sadly, there was a huge accident and the SS Tennessee actually crash landed on the Cove. Yep. It's always so nice to be the only ones on the trail, which is why we always hike so early. And it's also great to be early because you get first dibs on parking. Oh my god, here's another sign. It says, "Don't leave bags, carry them out." Yeah, it's kind of sad that people would leave their dogs' droppings all over the place here. I mean, it's not cool, especially if it's wrapped in a bag, then it can't even decompose. But yeah, that's just a sad fact of life, I guess. Other than the bacteria bombs, the hike through Oakwood Meadow Trail was absolutely gorgeous this morning. Well, it's super muddy today. And look at this cutie pie. So lush and green here. I love hikes like this, which is why I would really love to go to places like Canada or Washington, maybe even Maine, just to hike in places that is so green, like everything's green, covered in moss and everything. It smells so fresh. It just rained like a couple days ago, and I'm blinded.
I know, right?
Oh, where's us?
The blue dot.
Oh, and then the black dot's the trail. Alright,
With no fire.
okay, great. Guys, I just got news from other hikers that we're going the wrong way. So, yeah, we're gonna try to find the right trail this time. This is actually going the opposite direction where we were headed, so luckily we ran into people that were like, you know what? I'm gonna tell them the truth. Alright guys, funny fact. So the right trail was actually across the street from the sign. Yeah, so that's the situation. So here's the parking situation. when we got here, there was only 2 cars. So get here early, you guys, if you want a parking spot. But yeah, so we parked there. There's Neb's car. Beautiful ass Tesla. So this is the trail we were supposed to go on, which is just right here. So we went that way instead. But we're on the right trail now. And this is called Rhubarb Trail, and eventually takes us to Tennessee Valley Trail. Make a left. Is this the right way, Neb?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay.
Wow. I wonder what that one leads to.
All the way up. Looks like a house, though.
Right.
Yeah. We're in someone's backyard right now. All right. Off to our journey. Take 2.
Let me know. I want to see if I can plant it.
Okay. What does the seed look like?
I'm not
No, we don't know what the seed looks like.
Something
Like that?
a fruit.
Oh, fruit?
I picked it up though. I picked it up.
We're looking for a fruit now?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. Can I see? But that's a shell.
Like this.
I know.
This is the one I touched though.
The inside of it.
Oh, okay.
Or,
That's funny.
don't quote me though.
Oh, I think I know what you're talking about. It's like kind of brown and round.
Yeah, this is not.
Okay.
But
Funny. This in his backyard, eh? This giant thing in his backyard. Okay. Alright, so we're coming to an area where we were supposed to have parked to get to the real Tennessee Valley Trail. But as you can see, this is also very crowded now. And it's only around 9 a.m., maybe 9:30 at the moment.
Tennessee Valley is an amazing ravine in the Marin County's famous headlands. The trails are fairly easy with spectacular views of the hills and the rich foliage within the area. It was shockingly beautiful that winter morning, you guys. I was just in awe.
Alright guys, so we are going here. So I lied earlier, this is 1.8 miles to the beach. This trail is actually really different from the trail that we were earlier because it's so noisy. There's so many people here. But I'm a little curious to see how crowded the beach is.
It's gonna be hella crowded. So. We'll see though.
Yeah, we'll see. Let's see if we get a nice spot to eat our peanut butter sandwiches.
Peanut butter jello.
Oh, and jelly. Karen finally invested in some jelly.
I got upgraded, you know.
Still right on track. So these chips from 7-Eleven, original potato, pretty darn good. I just dropped one.
on the hike,
It was good.
People.
Look at these headlands. There's a reason why the Marin Headlands are so popular. And no, Neb, don't. I would not like peanuts. Alright guys, 0.6 miles left to go. Beach, in case you didn't know, that way. So here's the flooding they were talking about in the beginning. And here's bathroom number 2 in the area. Look at guys, the ocean has appeared. Here is the cove where the shipwreck happened. happened. And during low tide, we can actually see the ship, but I don't think we're lucky today. Alright guys, so we made it to the beach, which is awesome. And we're gonna have lunch first before we try to climb 800 feet to the overlook. Where am I pointing? That thing, right there.
Neb, your sandwich.
Thank you.
Alice,
Thank you very much.
welcome.
PB and J sandwich with an ocean view. What's up, Karen? Nebster.
Hello.
I don't see any shipwreck. Whatever I found earlier, I'm hoping that could be a piece of it, but I'm pretty sure it's not. But yeah, this is Tennesse Cove. Okay, Neb, you good?
Very good. You good?
It burns.
Burns. Almost there.
Yeah. Just maybe 800 more steps.
No.
Look at Karen go. Okay, we're halfway there, but we need a break.
There's no break.
Yeah, the knees are shaking.
Oh, aging. Man.
The 30s are rough. Oh shoot, look at this. You guys, is this the bunker?
Oh, wow.
What's in here?
This,
Oh, there's a bunker.
Welcome to the top, everyone. We made it. Up 1,000 steps, but we get rewarded by this view.
see, I told you.
So what we're standing on right now is another military bunker. If you go over there, you can see that the entrance is right there. So Neb and I decided to come down here. Karen, you want to come?
I'll think about it.
Okay.
Oh,
But,
nice.
yeah, it seems like you can look through. Oh my god, this is so cool. I've never been in a bunker like this before. This is really cool, actually. Wow. So this is where they keep a lookout for any attacks that could possibly be coming. But the view is amazing. I really like this. Karen, you're missing out. You'll really like it. I promise. Alright, we're back up from the bunker. So was it worth it after all, Karen?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, great photos.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we are heading back. This is such a beautiful place. But then again, Marin Headlands have like a great reputation of beauty and hiking and nature and all that jazz. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this day with us. And what else do I say usually? Oh, if you liked this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to see future content of mine. I do a lot of travel videos around the San Francisco Bay Area in California. And hopefully I will be traveling internationally soon. But yeah, thank you guys again. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Oh my god, someone brought a little pony to the beach, you guys. Karen really wants a picture of the pony.
Can I sit on the pony?
So let's see.
Oh, there you go. Now we get it.
Let's see if she would succeed.